Hi boys and girls, welcome to day 3 of Writer's Workshop. Today we're going to focus on adding 2 reasons to support our opinion, and we're going to be focusing on adding our sparkle words. Remember, sparkle words are adjectives. Let's get started. Do you remember what a reason is? We know what an opinion is, but a reason tells why you think or feel a certain way. Reasons give your opinion power. And don't forget to use the magic word, because. Here's a great example. Pepperoni pizza is the best because it is a little spicy and I love spicy foods. That's a great example of using because and stating your reason. Before we start, let's go over some because boo-boos. Let's stay away from saying things like this. Because I like it. Because it is neat. Because it is cool. Instead, I want you to say why you like it, or why is it neat, or what makes it cool. Let's look at my writing from yesterday. In my opinion, I would like to grow cilantro. Now I need to get into my first reason. Ta-da! Did you know there's something called reason starters? You can start out by saying this. My first reason is, I'm going to add that to my writing. My first reason is, I can use the cilantro to make salsa. What a great reason. I want you to pause the video and add your first reason. Welcome back. Let's get into our next reason. Remember, we only have to have 2 reasons today, so you should already be done with your first reason. To start my sentence for my next reason, it's going to say, my next reason is, I'm going to write that exact sentence starter on my, here we go, on my paper. My next reason is, cilantro is neat. Ooh, I think I just did a because boo-boo. Because it is neat. I can't say that. I have to say, why is it neat? Let me fix it. Oh, I gotta add a sparkle word. Here we go. Let me change it. Cilantro is delicious in many meals. That's way better and more interesting. So I want you to go ahead and I want you to do your next reason, okay? And when you're done with your next reason, I want you to stop for today.